Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my DropBlogr review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm gonna give you a full overview and a demo. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of DropBlogr. Now, in a nutshell, DropBlogr, it's a cloud-based system that consists of two parts. The first part you're gonna get is gonna be the done for you review site. You're gonna get a done for you site filled in with reviews in which you can embed your affiliate links inside of these reviews. These are well-written reviews that converted for the product creators and they are giving them to you for free. Now, what makes this different from any other done for you review site is it comes with done for you traffic system or done for you traffic training. So they're gonna show you how to drive traffic to your reviews using Google Ads. Google Ads is really a powerful traffic source. So I consider it the best traffic source out there because you can drive traffic with literally pennies and you can make up to 200% or even 700% return on investment. This is a really cool product. So if you are interested in picking up DropBlogr anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description if you are watching on YouTube. If you came from my email or if you came from Google, you would already be on this page. Just scroll down and click on one of these red buttons. Then you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of DropBlogr. However, you have to do that once this product goes live, which is on the 11th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then these buttons will be valid and you can come through my bonus page and go to the sales page where you could pick up your copy. If you want to pick up DropBlogr and get all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly, you have to pick it up before this countdown timer hits 0, because once it does, this bonus page will disappear and so will all my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are, my first bonus is going to be access for the first 12 hours only. It's gonna be the done for you bonus pages where I give you done for you bonus pages for the next 365 days. I'm gonna give you my done for you bonus pages with my review videos embedded inside these bonus pages, and all you have to do is drive traffic to these pages and make money. You can also drive traffic using the Google Ads method shown inside of the DropBlogr. So this is a win-win situation. I'm only giving you this for the first 12 hours because I don't want you guys to get access to this. I'm selling it for $197, but I'm giving you access. If you happen to pick it up in the first 12 hours of the launch, you're gonna get this bonus free of charge. The second bonus is going to be access to Stealth plus Stealth Advanced. Now, Stealth is a training by Jono Armstrong in which he shows you on how to run Gmail ads. Gmail ads are the best Google ads you can run because they bring a lot of traffic in a short amount of time and they don't cost that much money. Now, the advantage of running Gmail ads is you're going to be able to hit people's inboxes without having them on your email list. This is really cool, and you can also put your pixel inside your bonus page in which you can gather all that data and retarget those people. Jono is going to show you how to do that inside the Stealth Advanced. That's why I gave you the Stealth and Stealth Advanced. These both are selling for more than $197, but you get this for free if you happen to pick it up via my link. My third bonus is going to be access to the Fuego multiplier. Again, another traffic training where Jono is going to show you how to run Bing ads and how to run, I think, YouTube ads or something related to that. So I have covered almost every traffic training inside of Google Ads, because inside DropBlogr they only cover, I think, the search ads, but I got you covered with my bonuses here. They're showing you on how to run all sorts of ads to maximize your income. My fourth bonus is going to be access to the Google retargeting course. I'm going to show you on how to set up your pixels inside your bonus pages and how to make money using retargeting. My fifth bonus is going to be a hack on how to drive free buyer traffic using Instagram. So we're going to leverage the power of Instagram and drive automated traffic to our bonus pages and hopefully maximize our commissions. My sixth bonus is going to be access to all the vendors' bonuses. These are the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly once you pick up DropBlogr. Now you have to pick it up via my bonus page because these are exclusive to me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. I'm gonna go inside the members area or the cloud-based software in just a second. Let me just take a look at the sales page in the claims made here. We have caution. 100% of people who use the system are making consistent income online now. Still the exact software and system that we are using to make $316 daily and generate buyer clicks from 4 cents. We have unlocked top secret plus custom software that creates drop dead gorgeous and fully fledged blogs in 1 minute, flat massive discount for today only. We have some information right here, some bullet points. We have the sales video. We have some more proof right here. As you can see, they have spent 16 cents for clicks and they have gotten $345.51. This is crazy. As you can see, $13.78 spent in total and they got $345 in return. We have some more proof right here. This is really crazy because you can take a look on the type of money that you can make right here. This is some serious money that we are looking right here. As I said, Google Ads is the most powerful advertisement out there, so you definitely want to consider to pick up DropBlogr because it's a complete system. We have some more info right here. You can check out the sales page at your own time. We have the info about the product, the steps, the niches, and all that stuff. I'm not gonna waste your time. You can check it out on your own time if you want to. Now let's jump right to the software. I know that most of you are watching this review because you want to check out the demo. First, once you pick up your copy, you're gonna receive access to this, in which you'll be able to log into your Dem4U website. Then you can watch the introductory video where Josh introduces you to the modules and all that good stuff. Then you can click here on home and then click on add new site, in which you're going to be able to add your Dem4U website. You can choose any one of these skins. These are templates. You can choose any one that you like. You can view them before you choose one of them. Just click on view and you'll be able to preview the template right here, and then you can choose whether you want to use it or not. Now let's jump to the Dem4U posts and click on all posts right here. Then you'll see all the Dem4U reviews that are here. You can start editing your own affiliate links. All you have to do is come through here and click on edit, and then you're going to be clicking on edit with Elementor. It's gonna show up the edit page where you can edit all the information. You can edit these blogs or these articles. You can add some information. You can change your affiliate links right here. Let me just show you an example. This is really simple. So let's say I want to add my affiliate link to this button right here. Let me just select it and then click on link right here, and you can put your link right here, your affiliate link. Now you have to go and get your affiliate link for this product. All you have to do to get your affiliate link, let me just go back and show you how to do that. This is really simple. As you can see, you can edit these blogs within few clicks. Let me just go to all posts, and then here I can search. So if I want to grab the affiliate link for Storybot, I'm just gonna type in Storybot, and then once I type in the search bar Storybot, it is gonna show me the review. Or let me just take a look, maybe in the done for you pages. Yeah, it's in the done for you pages. It's not in the done for you website, it's in the done for you pages. Excuse me. Let me just search for Storybot. As you can see, we have the promo and we have the bonus download. This is the link that you're gonna put inside your JVZoo delivery. So you're gonna deliver this link to your buyers. All you have to do is go inside of JVZoo and put it where it says affiliate bonuses. You can put these done for you bonus delivery page inside of there. And if you want to get your affiliate link, like I said, this is the page with the promo details. All you have to do is click on view and you'll be able to view your promo details. You click on grab the promo link, you can view the JV page for Storybot as well. So here we have the JV page, and here we have the where you can request your link. You're just gonna log in and then request your affiliate link, and they will approve you. Once they approve you, you can come back to the done for you post and you can embed your affiliate link inside the review. You have to do that for all these reviews, and once you do that, you have all your affiliate links set up. You can go to the traffic training right here and start learning how to run Google Ads. So he's going to show you step by step. As you can see, we have a ton of videos right here showing you on how to do everything. So the first, we have the introductionary, the JVZoo, how to get your affiliate links. Then we have how to become an expert, how to increase conversions, the case studies, and we have the traffic training and all that good stuff. You can watch this traffic training right here inside your members area. As you can see, this is really simple. I know I didn't give you a full demo. If you want to watch an in-depth demo video, just go to my bonus page and watch this video right here. We have the demo video by the vendors in which he's gonna explain to you everything inside of DropBlogr. Now let me talk to you about the prices in the upsells. The first let me just talk to you about the front end before the first upsell. The front end is gonna cost you $27 and it's a dime sale. It's gonna go up to $37. So make sure to pick it up when it goes live to get the best price deal possible. We have DropBlogr 2-in-1. All I just showed you inside of here, you can read all about the features. You get 10 sites license, you get done for you bonuses, premium hosting, and all this good stuff. Now we have in the first upsell is the DropBlogr Pro for $47. We have 4 of your traffic earnings in we have 4 times your traffic earnings in potential with the Pro upgrade. X Socially is a social auto post software. You don't need this. You definitely don't need this. You get 20 more done for you bonuses. Like I said, you definitely don't need this. I got you covered in my first bonus. I'm gonna give you done for you bonus pages for the next 365 days. Definitely don't need this. The upsell number 1, you don't need it. Let's talk about the upsell number 2. It's gonna be the DropBlogr Booster. Unlock new and unique lead generation, sales, and boost ranking features, and get a guaranteed explosion in leads and sales. Use email opt-ins, slide in, pop in, pop-ups and social sharing to grow your business. This is going to be $47. I think I have access to that. It's the Hustler Pro right here. So you can add pop-ups, you can add embeds. This is really powerful, because let's say you add a pop-up inside your review, and once people are going through the review, it's a pop-up right there where you give them something for free. Let's say you give them a course. They're gonna opt in and you're gonna get a tons of leads, because using Google Ads you're gonna be able to drive 5,000 visitors easily, but with a $50 budget. So this is gonna be a really powerful upgrade. I highly recommend you go for this, since it's $47. The DropBlogr Club is going to be for $37. This is the third upsell. We have the monthly affiliate marketing reviews. You get 10 solid products each month. Again, you don't need that. I got you covered, since you I'm sorry, I'm not very good in English. I got you covered, since you pick up this within the first 12 hours. I got you covered with my done for you bonus pages. You definitely don't need the upsell number 3. Upsell number 4, agency license for $197 and $297. I think there are different features you get, but the agency license, you're gonna be able to sell DropBlogr as your own. I don't know what the difference is between $197 and $297. You can check it out inside the upsell number 4. This was my review, and let me just go through the pricing upsells. Pick up the front end. This is a no-brainer with my bonuses. Don't pick up the first upsell. The second upsell, you definitely need the second upsell. Don't pick up the third upsell. And if you want to sell this as your own, you can go for the fourth upsell, but I think it's overpriced, so don't go for the fourth upsell. The only worthy of picking up is the front end in the second upsell. The others, you definitely don't need them, because I got most of the upsells covered in my bonuses. Let me just show you how to claim your bonuses before I go, because I get a lot of questions from people in the comments telling me how to get access to my bonuses. Once you are, let me just go to JVZoo, because this is a JVZoo product. So here, let me just find the purchased products, and I'll come back to you. So I'm gonna log in inside my JVZoo account, and all you have to do now, once you are logged in, click on this blue button that says looking for your purchases, and then once you do that, you'll be taken to your purchases page. Just find DropBlogr and click on it. You'll find DropBlogr right here. I don't have it for some reason. I have no purchases in this account. You're gonna find DropBlogr right here. Just click on it and you'll be able to access all my bonuses free of charge. Like I said, you don't need to pick up any of the upsells, but all you need is to pick up the front end and you will get all my bonuses. I hope you like my review. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below in the description or down below in the comments if you are watching on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.